Intel Xeon Platinum 8358 SRKJ1 LGA 4189 2.60 GHz 32C 48MB CPU server processor CD8068904572302. Intel Xeon Platinum 8358 processor 48M cache 2.60 GHz FC LGA 16A tray. But among these marvels of modern architecture, one stood out not for its size, but for the revolution it promised within its metallic shell. This building was home to Cronus Tech, a corporation known for its cutting-edge server technology. At the heart of Cronus Tech's latest project was the Intel Xeon Platinum 8358 SRKJ1, a server processor that promised to reshape computing power. As whispers of its capabilities circulated through the halls of the industry, excitement and curiosity brewed with intensity. Alan Carter, a seasoned engineer at Cronus Tech, was in charge of unveiling the potential of this remarkable processor. With 32 cores operating at a base frequency of 2.60 GHz and a 48 MB cache designed to handle vast amounts of data, the Intel Xeon Platinum was unlike anything Alan had worked with before. The story began one rainy evening, as Alan sat huddled in his office, poring over the specifications of the processor lovingly referred to as the heart. His desk was cluttered with blueprints, circuit diagrams, and a steaming cup of coffee that had long since grown cold. Though the rain pattered softly against the window, his mind was fixed on unraveling the mysteries of the 8358 SRKJ1. Unexpectedly, a faint beep emanated from his computer, signaling a message from Laura, the tech architect overseeing the software integration. "Alan, I think we've hit a roadblock with the data throughput." Alan sighed, pushing his glasses up the bridge of his nose. "Let's take a look. The Xeon has a robust infrastructure, so it should handle the load over the LGA 4189 socket without breaking a sweat." Laura appeared on the screen, her brow furrowed. "That's the thing. Our tests show it's not the hardware's fault. The processor is flawless. It's our configuration that might need reconsideration." For the next few weeks, Alan and Laura worked tirelessly, their collaboration a symphony of technological harmony. Alan marveled at how the processor handled simulated environments, processing complex algorithms with the grace of a maestro conducting an orchestra. It was a marvel of modern engineering and a triumph of human ingenuity. Finally, after days of relentless tweaking, they achieved what many believed was impossible. The server infrastructure, powered by the Intel Xeon Platinum 8358 SRKJ1, scaled heights previously unimaginable. It was a pivotal moment not only for Cronus Tech but for the world of computing as a whole. The launch day arrived, and beneath the radiant lights and the curious gaze of the industry's leaders, Alan introduced the world to the new era of server processing power. "Ladies and gentlemen," he began, his voice a blend of exhaustion and exhilaration, "I present to you the heart, a culmination of our efforts, powered by the relentless spirit to push boundaries and transform dreams into reality." With that, the server world held its breath, ready to embrace the future driven by the innovation packed into the Intel Xeon Platinum 8358 SRKJ1 processor.